Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna survive a hurricane. We're just gonna the storm chase, yep. Spawn, what if I spawn sedan? Wait, these cars don't work. Tropical storm warning. These are hard. Oh no, I don't even know how to drive these. Okay. This is hard to drive. Oh, it's 27 miles per hour. Everything's about to get crazy soon. This is the old game from this is like the old game. I really missed the old storm. I really missed the Tornado Summer 2. The old map. I really missed the old map. Yep. It's during the 45 miles per hour, 46, 47, 48. Starting to get crazy. Extreme meteorologist read bubblegum. And a hurricane. 52. I gotta stay away from these power lines. I don't see any glass shattering. Okay, it's still working. Still no glass shattering. Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, the roof went fling. Oh, we gotta get out of here. Actually, I don't want to be in my car. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so windy. It's pretty. Uh oh, glass shattering. I heard it. I heard it. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is wild. Let me check radar. Hurricane Alex? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh, this is wild. 98 miles per hour. Whoa. Uh-oh. We gotta get to the top. We gotta get to the top. There's gonna be a flood pretty soon. Get in the car or get to the top of the building. Come on. Whoa! Oh no, it's wild. I can't get in the top. Oh no. We gotta brace. Hold on. Oh gosh. Oh no, we gotta survive. Oh no. It's gonna flood. My car! It's rolling! Oh no. Get to the top, please. No. I don't want to die. Oh my gosh. I gotta get in my car. Oh my gosh. Please, no. Let me in my car. No. I'm gonna die. Gosh, it's so sleepy. I gotta remove the car. No! It's gonna flood. I can't get in my car. Oh no! It already started. Get up. Okay, I think we're safe now. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. We survived that. Oh no, please. Don't take that down. It's increasing still. Oh gosh. Brace. Please don't die. We have to survive. Come on. It's 162. Oh my gosh. It's increasing still. I'm sitting on the top of the building. My sedan is gone. That is great. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I survived that. Still increasing. Oh, it's starting to flood bad. I gotta hold on. Guys, this game is called Hurricane Simulation. It's based off of the old map of Tornado Simulator 2. And that brings back memories. Oh, it's finally increasing. I almost died. I can't believe I survived that. Holy cow. Fake water's going down now. Look at the flood. It just flooded the whole map. It looks like an ocean. Oh no! Get up. Oh, I'm like touching the water. Oh no, oh no. Come on. I'm gonna die. I'm like holding on for my dear life. No! Oh gosh. This is our last wall. Oh my gosh. This is our last wall now. Everything's completely surrounded with flood. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's finally slowing down now. I'm enjoying the water here. It's disgusting. That's a lot of wind. Pretty sure I lost my car. It's gone. My car's gone. I had that sedan. I mean, I got my Dominator still. I'm not taking my Dominator with me on a hurricane. Uh-oh. Something's happening to the wall. I just slid down a little bit. Might fall down. Okay, I think the weather's getting nice. I'm glad I survived that. Look at Airy Town. We gotta check if people are okay in this town. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Hurricane warning. Okay, tropical storm warning. Can't believe we survived that. Let me look at the radar. Tropical storm. Alex. Yeah, Airy Town has no power. How does a radar work? I'm off the map? Why does it say I'm off the map? I'm on the ocean? Okay, flood's going down. We gotta investigate the damage. Oh no. Okay, we can go down now. Oh my gosh, we need to investigate the damage. Hold on, let me check. Okay. Okay, let's go check. Is anyone okay? Any survivors? I think that happened in that town too. Oh my gosh, there's someone's bed over here. There's someone's bed in a hurricane. Oh my gosh. Can't believe we survived that. Is there any survivors? Hello? I'm gonna go over to Wakefield. The old Wakefield. Well, I guess my car is completely destroyed. Man, that's old. Oh no. I forgot I don't know how I control the turn. It's a mobile device. Any survivors? No. Well, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!